Hello friends, what is the drill of section 340 and 195 Criminal Procedure Code read with 193 Indian Penal Code? Drill of 340 and 195 is somebody makes a false statement or an affidavit, files a false affidavit before the competent courts of law. And the next thing, if somebody files a false document, fake document deliberately, and tries to obtain favorable orders or try to mislead the courts, then they are punishable under the section 340, under the drill of section 340 and 195 CRPC, where there is procedure contemplated for the offences against public justice system. Alright, so one has to be very careful while drafting the affidavits. You have to state the facts that are true and only backed by the proper and authentic evidence. You definitely cannot, even though it is truth, if you do not have any evidence, you are not supposed to state that. So it is equal to null and void. If you try to make a statement before the court of law, though it is true, if you cannot back it up with evidence, better not to state that. So one has to be very careful. Even the advocates have to be very careful while drafting the petitions. Otherwise, they will be thoroughly drilled by the sections of 340 and 195, which are very dangerous. There are punishments up to 7 years. And in addition, if you commit this crime before a constitutional court, that is a High Court or a Supreme Court of India, then you are additionally liable for criminal contempt, and you will be punished for 6 months extra, along with 2,000 rupees fine, because you are interfering with the dispensation of justice. So one has to be very careful while drafting affidavits and making statements before the courts and even before the police also. If you are trying to make false complaints, then also you can be drilled under the section 340 and 195 of CRPC, because the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Bhima Razu Prasad has categorically held that even at the time of police station, the proceedings, they are also part of the court. So the one who makes false statements or give false evidence or false statement of witnesses, they are all equally liable. These are very dangerous sections, and you will be definitely drilled under the sections of 340 and 195 CRPC. So better be careful, friends. Thank you.